Four things you need to learn to be able to know how to find foreign clients online. Here are the four things I'm going to tell you. These four things are very important that you learn them so that you can find that foreign clients that you desire to find. Okay. Now, the first thing that you need to learn, the first thing that you need to learn is to know your craft. Now, you have gotten a digital skill. Maybe you are a copywriter or a graphic designer or a UI UX designer or a UGC creator, whatever it is, whatever digital skill that you have, or even if it's not a digital skill, whatever skill that you have, the first thing that you should mind is that you should learn your craft very well, because time and time again you are going to be put to the test, and if you cannot defend yourself, I'm sorry, you are going to lose your job. So the first thing that you need to know is to bend down and learn your craft very well. Because I mean, if you don't know your craft, I mean, how will you get a job that people will give you, right? How will you make the kind of money you want to make? So you should learn your craft very well so that you can be able to, defend what you know and who you are online. Okay, all day, every day. Now that's the first thing that you need to know. Now the second thing that you need to know, so that you can be able to find foreign clients online very fast, is that you need to learn how and where to find those clients online. Now, some people have learned their craft, but they don't know where and how to find those clients. Now, I've made videos, separate videos on my page, on my YouTube, on how to find foreign clients online. Now, go and watch those videos so that you can learn more. Okay, I made those videos in details. Okay, I showed you the platform, I showed you what to do, and I even gave you templates on what to do. So find those videos and learn from those videos so that you can be able to apply those tricks and find those clients you desired to get paid as soon as possible. Okay, yeah. So that's the second thing that you need to know. Now, the third thing that you need to know, the number three thing that you need to know, is to learn how to close clients. It is one thing finding clients. Now, it's a different thing closing those clients. Now, you are a human being, and those clients are still human beings. Okay, they are not ghosts, even if they are foreigners. Now, you need to learn how you can be able to convince them and show them that you know what you're talking about, and you can also do what you're talking about, so that you can close those clients to pay you the kind of money you desire. So you need to learn how to close those clients, and there are tactics and tricks that you need to apply so that you can be able to learn these things. Learn how to close clients. These are another skill on its own. It's not enough to get a digital skill. Okay, the most paid people online are not the most skillful. You may be more skillful than these people, but they know something that you don't. That thing they know is that they have learned the act of closure. They know the act of closing clients. That is why when they talk to clients, when they talk to 5 people, they close 3 of them. When they talk to 10 people, they close 6 or 7 of them. And then they continue making money endlessly. So learn how to close clients. Okay, it's a skill on its own. Learn it today. You will be glad you did. Now that was the fourth. That was the third thing. Now the final thing that you need to know, which is the fourth thing that you need to know to be able to find foreign clients online, is to learn how to set up your payment gateway. I know. I mean, I've seen people, or I have a few friends that they have digital skills, they have the clients, are making money, but then when it's time to collect their money, especially those of us in Africa, when it's time to collect their money, they run into one or two problems. Okay, so you should learn how to set up your payment gateway so that you won't have any problem, so that once your clients pay you, you see your money, something that you worked so hard to get. And when it comes to the time you will enjoy it, you will start having problems here and there. So it's important that you bend down and learn a good payment gateway. There are lots of payment gateways. Once I've mentioned on my pages, once in other places. Learn these things and then apply the ones that are most suitable to you so that you can be able to collect your money without any problem. Okay? I hope you have learned something from this video. Like, comment, and share. I will see you in the next one. Cheers.